Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Littleness Daycare and Activity Center has officially opened at Upper Lachumiere, Shillong, with a focus on providing quality early childhood care and holistic development for young children. The center caters to children between 1 and 12 years of age and offers full day, half day, and early daycare services to meet the needs of working parents and families. According to the center, its programs are designed to promote learning through play, early childhood development, creativity, social interaction, and emotional well being. Daily activities include educational games, storytelling, music, art, and other engaging exercises aimed at nurturing children's overall growth in a safe and caring environment. The management said the daycare strives to provide a home away from home by creating a secure, friendly, and nurturing atmosphere where children can learn, play, and develop under the supervision of trained and caring staff. Admissions are open now, with the center announcing limited seats for the current enrollment. Parents seeking further information may contact the daycare at 921 708 529 2145 or visit the center at Upper Lachumiere, Shillong.